glasses. Good morning. It's a beautiful morning, but I know it's rainy outside. I'm quiet because our family is still sleeping. I need my glasses because I can see. "7-Eleven has been our breakfast every day because it's conveniently located just across the street. So today, what do we have? We have some yogurt here. I guess cereal yogurt. Then we have blueberry yogurt. Nikki already ate. By the time I got up, Nikki was done with this yogurt. So it's done. We have some dragon fruit. You know how much this costs? It's 59 NT. So that's about 120 pesos. But Ling, our friend, told us that in the market, you can buy this. Today is good season. She said it's only maybe 120 or 150 for 3 big pieces of dragon fruit. So eat lots of dragon fruit right now in Taiwan. Then we have a strawberry boucher, maybe, or bouge. I forgot how much this was. Probably 35 NT or less than that. I got myself a cold coffee. Don't remember how much this was. Maybe 35 NT. The yogurts, maybe, I don't know, 20 plus or 35 NT also. Then we got, our favorite, fast, quick, and filling, onigiri. So this one is shredded chicken with spicy Szechuan pepper sauce. It is, I forgot how much this is for. I forgot how much this is for. But all of these, well, I'll show you first the rest. And this is another, I like this one, the grilled pork with salted green onion. This is good. And we got this, Nikki ate some already. So it has sausage, it has egg, beans, sprouts, and some cabbage salad or steamed vegetables there. Garlic sausage bento, and this was 89 NT. So that's about 180 pesos. Right now, the exchange rate for NT from peso to NT is actually it's 0.5 something. So 1 peso, Philippine peso, is about 0.599 or 0.5099. I think 0.599. Well, today we'll prepare first for another trip around Taipei. Stay with us because we'll show you another part of Taipei. After 48 years, we finally got out of the hotel and we are now lining up in the blue line. That's the Bannon line, because today the gondola or the cable car opened. So it's safe for us to do the gondola and the Taipei Zoo. So we're heading there. We're taking the blue line. We're changing to the brown line all the way to Taipei Zoo. So this is gonna be fun. Hi, Nikki. Are you having fun? Yes or no? Yes. And Zach is ready with his camera. And Tita Lar is checking our itinerary. She is our Google Map for today. There you go. Here's our train. We've been using a lot of elevators in the past few days as oh yeah, okay. So they have Food Panda too, huh? Since we have been using the MRT basically every day. And up there, we're halfway. Okay, we just came from down there, and now we're here. We're transferring to the brown line. It's the Wenhu line, Taipei Zoo. Okay, it says that our train is coming in 4 minutes. That was pretty fast. And actually, there's not much of a line because we started late in the morning, and it's raining also. We are in Zhaozhou Fuqing, so we have 10 stops until we get to the end of the brown line, which is already the Taipei Zoo and Maikong Gondola. We're in front of the station. I mean the train. 大安转乘暂时。To be accommodated now. They do disinfect, wipe and disinfect, I think. Here we are. We're getting in. Okay, so here we are. Put your feet together. Hi, Nikki. Hi, Tita Lar. Hi, Zach. Mainit? No, it's not. It's okay. So we are up here and down there, and wow, see all the trees. Very nice. Oh, you heard that? Yeah, it's warm.
Oh, I can see a line of cable cars.
Yes.
This side.
Our stuff. One at a time. Okay, here's the end. And we are stopping. We are getting off. So this is now the Mau Kong station. Nikki is getting her free cotton candy. What do you like, Nikki? Which one? What is that? You didn't even understand that. Ooh, look at this. What is it doing?
It's making cotton candy.
Making cotton candy. That is so cool, Nikki. Wow. And it's wrapping it. I don't know what it's doing, but
It's
look.
making cotton candy.
Amazing. Okay, this is huge. It's making a design. That is so
making
cool. It's like a flower.
Yeah.
That is so cool. Is it all white?
It's getting big now. This is so cool. It's like
That is huge.
the concept of 3D printing.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, there's pink. Ooh, and then it will go this way.
Can you film me
Yes, I will.
from here?
Yeah.
Wow. There it is.
Whoa, let me see the design. It is so pretty. Let me see. Oh my goodness. So I think it's really a community. It's Xinjiang. And they've made it into, oh, that is so cute. They've made it into a tourist destination. So we are now in Mau Kong, and this is actually a tea community or tea growing area. So they're known for their teas. Oh, this is street food, right? Let's check it out. Oh, they have food. They actually have food. Chicken skewer, finally, the chicken skewer. The order of the day is to grab lunch in one of those small restaurants. We have fried noodles, stinky tofu. Nikki and Zach love stinky tofu. Look at that. And because
Tofu is really stinky.
Yeah, tofu in the first place is really stink. Our tofu, our fur baby, and then this is what is that again? Braised pork. And then we also ordered some hot dogs, and there it is. And what was that? Fish ball?
Cuttlefish.
Cuttlefish ball. I will try the stinky tofu.
Wait, is there tissue?
Why?
Spills.
It's okay. It's okay. That's it. Just one bite.
Hello?
Don't like it. Alright, so we're taking the tea center trail. And that is a trail to the tree sorry, tea plantation. This is about I'd say 100 meters of the trail. And I don't know what's up here, Nikki. There are cars parked, and there are structures up there. Nikki is with me. This has been a fun trip, right, Nikki? And we're halfway through our visit of Taiwan. And as you make the turn there, you see this nice community, small community here, commercial. There's a specialty tea shop and restaurants. Mountain Tea House. We should have gone further. Yes, this is the kind of food that we want. But we'll probably do this later. There's braised beef casserole. Oh my goodness, we should have gone here. Oh, we should have had our lunch here. Look at that! Matcha jam and adzuki bean. Apple tuna with basil and apple. Oh my goodness, we should try this place later. I'm going to that store later. Maokong Tea House. Alright. There's more. Oh, we should have walked. So there's also View Food Tea. Oh, too many tea places here. We should have done our lunch here. But anyway,
Snack time.
snack time later. Okay, so that's the set of restaurants that you can find. You just walk maybe 150 meters forward. Once you get to the get off the station, turn left and just walk forward. We took shelter in this temple for a few minutes because the rain suddenly poured stronger, harder. Are we ready? Okay, let's go, guys. We are here at the Tea Promotion Center, which is about 300 or 400 meters from where we started the station. And this is a very interesting place because they really have this place and you can even make your own tea. So let's check out the center. By the way, this is Mutsa tea. And it says here that in 1916, Zhang Naimiao, one of the farmers, defeated all the other farmers and won the championship in Puchong tea competition. And then he brought the Tie Kuan Yin tea saplings and the unique producing techniques. And after years of modification, it has become one of the most famous tea in Taiwan. So let's check it out. Huh? Oh. These are different tea kinds. Meijan, tea guanyin. That was what was mentioned here in the brochure. Finger citron, Wu Yi, Shoshan, TS number 12, and Shi Jie Chun. So this is Musa. And here are the different tea types. Very nice. You can see the different tea. Oh, they even have this. I guess you can take a look at the leaves, right?
Is that tea?
I believe so. See? Wow. This is awesome. But there is no English translation, so I am not sure what is being featured. I guess the different kinds of tea that are grown in the area. So this is the center. And right now, there's really not much activity going on. Okay, sir, what is that tea?
tea.
This is pao chong.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, mild.
Yeah,
Mild. Not too strong.
not too strong, yeah.
That's pao chong.
Pao chong.
Pao chong. And
And this oolong.
oolong. Let's see.
Very
Different.
same. Yeah,
Different.
No, very same.
Is it? But
Only look no same.
the leaves are different, right?
Yes.
But I think they smell different.
You see, that's now.
Oh, okay. And then this one,
This
that is
Guan Yin tea. Iron Guan Yin.
Guan Ying tea.
Yes.
Where-
Yellow Guan Yin tea.
These are Guan Ying tea.
Iron Guan Yin.
Okay. Ooh, kind expensive.
This is
No?
very good tea.
Yeah, because very good tea. Iron Guanyin. Oolong. Yes. Oriental Beauty.
Same.
How much? This is
300
it's much cheaper.
plus
Cheaper. Okay.
plus
Oolong tea.
Oolong and Pao Chong same. It's color same.
Similar to green tea. So
Okay. How?
they have different tea.
Smart.
All grown. This is
Iron Guan Yin.
or
This-
iron Guanyin. Very expensive. Very
Smells
expensive.
Like chocolate.
Yes, it smells like chocolate.
Yeah.
Like
Try.
chocolate.
Can try.
Okay.
Hindi mo
This is. You wanna try, Lara?
Oolong is only 500 but
Oolong
others
tea.
are expensive.
This is iron Guanyin. Very expensive.
Iron Guan Yin.
It's okay.
Wow. Very bitter.
Number 1.
Really? Wow.
This water is you see the you make a 2 here. Is
Yes.
very strong. You make a full of little like
Yes.
one.
Little.
One big one full of. Okay.
Okay. Okay. But can you, can you add water again?
Water you see you make a one. You make a maybe half. Alright. Maybe 2 or 3. You make a full of. It's
Okay.
alright. Too much people. You make
I
a full
see.
of.
I
Maybe
see.
2 of them. You make a
Up to there.
yes.
Okay.
Right.
Okay. I see.
You don't like a stronger, make it quicker.
Yes.
You
Yes.
like it stronger.
So you
make it
adjust. You adjust.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Very good. Yeah. Thank you.
My pleasure.
Fisher. Is there a tea garden
This
outside?
other is you see the outside is starting noon. Only Saturday, Sunday open.
Okay. Oh, we missed that. Yes. Okay, we'll try. So the tea garden here is open only on certain days, and today is not the day. Like there. I guess that's where the tea garden is. This is the layout of the T Kuan Yin and Pao Chong Tea Research and Promotion Center of Taipei. It's amazing because it's really a cultural and scientific flavor. So I go this way, and these are the tea making equipment. All right. So we start with withering stand and bamboo tray. So after solar withering, meaning I guess that means drying, you wither, you allow it to wilt. You put the fresh tea leaves on the bamboo trays. These are the bamboo trays, and move them to indoor and put them on the withering stand like this for processing of some more indoor withering. Then this one is a shaking machine for tea leaves. And once inside, after indoor withering, this machine is used to substitute for the hand shaking. The vegetable smell will come out. And then this is the tea panning machine. Oh, it's now automated, okay? The tea leaves are placed in this panning machine, and then they use very high temperature to pan so as to destroy the activity of the yeast and stop the fermentation procedure. So also the vegetable smell of the tea can be removed by this process. So the tea rolling machine, after panning is over there, this is rolling, the tea leaves are rolled, rotated, and squeezed. You see that? And the tea juice comes out of the leaves, of course. And then you move it here to the type 2 dryer. So this is a drying machine basically. And the drying is done by air ventilation and what they call stage down. So the tea leaves that come out after rolling here, okay, are put on the upper stage of the dryer there. So here is the upper stage of the dryer, and taken out from the lower stage down there as raw tea. So it will take about 30 to 60 minutes for processing depending on what type of tea is being made. So after primary drying, the water content is brought down to only 20%. We have a ball type rolling machine like that. Here the tea leaves are rolled up after they go through the ball type rolling machine. And this is the baking cage and the tea basket. Well, the tea basket is used in tea harvesting, and the baking cage is used mainly to reduce tea moisture, improve the flavor and aroma of the tea, and remove the fresh tea flavor. Tea baking machine. Yeah. Then there is also an electric dryer with heat circulation. This is what they use after primary drying. So this is it. So this is now really a 21st century equipment, modern. So this is now secondary drying, and this lasts for about 3 hours. After secondary drying, the water content of the raw tea is brought down to about 3 to 5%, and it will last longer. There is no English translation here, but we can, you see the leaves are rolled, no? Because there is actually a ball roller machine that does that. Okay. Wow, so this is what they look like, the final tea. I love this. This is awesome. So why are we here in Maokong? Maokong is a place of origin for the Musa Tiganyun tea, or iron goddess tea. The local tea industry here has flourished over the past century, giving rise to a rich and homegrown tea culture. That's why a lot of people visit this place. Maokong is one of the key birthplaces for North Taiwan's tea production industry. and its melodious Tiguan Yun, that is the tea, has achieved wide renown. So the Taipei Maokong Tea Party is organized by the Taipei City government with the Taipei City Maokong Recreation Industry and Community Development Association and Research Association of Chinese Tea as co-organizers. We got rained on, and so we're heading to that tiny, beautiful, cute cake and tea shop in the tea and cake place. And wow, it's raining hard outside. So just perfect timing because we made it into the shop when the rain started to pour. This is how they usually do it. They give you a menu and you can just put your order, write your order down there. There is Chinese and English translation.
Should I get tea or beer?
I don't know. What do you like? I like tea. I'm
strawberry.
in a tea country, so.
They have strawberry tea. They have strawberry.
Oh, that one, yeah. Try that. You mean hot tea or
Yeah.
beer tea?
Organic.
Ah, okay. I'll have something hot. You know what? I think I'll go for coffee. Crazy, no? What do you think of this style, Nikki? And efficient, right? Fast. Yeah. So people don't have to line up. Alright. Oh, it smells so good. Can we sit on that side or babasa tayo? I don't know. Maybe just indoor, just to be on the safe side. Alright, where do we sit? Here? Huh? Saan dyan? Oh, okay. What did you get, guys? We got matcha. I got the Tinyan tea. That's the locally grown tea. And you got strawberry tea.
Organic strawberry raspberry.
Tea. Okay. We didn't realize it's good for two. But hey, we've got the whole afternoon here because it's still raining. And we're also going to try this homemade
Wanna try?
Basque burnt cheesecake. That's how it is. Okay, those are the leaves. Alright. Who wants tea? Oh, how is your strawberry tea? Hot. Ow. Yes, it's actually very hot. It does. Strawberry.
Smell it.
This one is really tea. Different kinds of tea here, Maokong tea, and the packaging is really pretty. We just found, we're not sure what kind of eggs. Are these duck eggs? And they're actually warm. Are they cooked? I think it's $20 per piece. Very beautiful. Huh?
Pour the first
On your
pour the first brew here, and then you pour it, and then you drink the second brew.
is that correct? Why? Why is that so? Oh, that's how you make tea daw, according to Nikki. Okay. So back to the Maokong station and back to the cable car. We stopped at the Jinan Temple. We got a day pass, so we can go anywhere as often as we want. And these are actually some kind of prayers, right? That they hang on trees or blessings. Well, this the Jinan Temple, it's more of a combination of Taoism, Buddhism and Confucianism. Well, look at Taipei over there. You can see the buildings. Do you see that? There is Taipei 101, the tower that we went to the other day. Hey. All right, heading back to the hotel, but we're going to stop by some noodles, good beef noodles for dinner. You're now here in a beef noodle place that was recommended to us by my friend Ling, and I cannot read that, so we are trying to communicate. He said small because the big bowl is really big, and like we cannot finish it. So this is how the place looks like. Is this spicy? Hot? Very? This one?
A little.
Just a little. Thank you. Oh my goodness, this is small? You said small? Oh my goodness. Hindi. No. Wow. Let's pray anak muna. Okay, we're ending today's vlog with dinner in, what's the name, Lar, again? Fuhan, something like that. Let's eat beef noodle soup. You know that small bowl of soup, it's not actually small, but that was only 100 Taiwan dollars, and it had a lot of tender beef cubes, and we forgot. We didn't realize that you could actually add vegetables like a kimchi sort of vegetables. So you know, when you travel to places, to new places, look for the local places, or places that for food places that the locals go to, and you will really enjoy the culture. Yeah, and Tita Lara is not yet done. She's enjoying that. See?
Because I'm eating only the noodles.
But it's good. Huh?
I love the
sarap. Yes. Is it like kimchi or what? No? Ah, okay. That's the place. We had fun there with the noodle beef. Now it's time to go home.